Yeah, guys, this is my first attempt with my old homemade forge here to melt some local copper. Don't know if it's gonna happen right, but we got the old forge built. Get you a good picture of that. It's kind of hard to see with the sunlight on it. I bought one of these torches off of eBay, but I'm gonna have to make something to adapt to the hole a little tighter there. Valve put off on it. So let me see if I can get that thing off the top of it. You're making fun of me now. It's my first try. It's hot inside there. I don't want to burn my camera up. But it's starting to get to where it's about, it's getting close to melting. I got a lot to learn. After I pour this melt here, and I'm probably going to get y'all a video of how I built that forge itself. It's pretty thick. It's about 80 pounds, a little bit more than what I wanted it to weigh. But I think it'll do a pretty good job. Let's wait and see. I got this old temperature gun here. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't think about putting this thing in the sunlight where y'all can see it, but I didn't want to be in the hot sun. Well, anyhow, let's see what the temperature of the outside of it's going to be. It is 188.6 on the side. On the top, it's 357. And in the cubby hole, where the fire is at, it's 965.4. Now, the little gadget I'm going to pour the copper into is 367. Oh boy, that heat's pretty warm. Well, that'll give you an idea of how hot it's getting. Now let's continue to see if it's going to ever melt this old copper. Over here I got me a stash of pretty clean copper to melt. I'm not sure how many pieces once I put them in the little crucibles or in boxes will make, but we got something to play with. And then I've been saving up my old Dr. Pepper. It ain't beer, guys. Dr. Pepper cans. I'm going to see how aluminum melts. And that's probably what I should have started with, because that aluminum would have been a lot easier to melt than that copper. Now, I did see something that I'm hoping some of y'all guys that are professionals at this can shed some light on. That little torch that I bought right there, if you look inside, it's got like a chip in there, maybe you see it glowing. Is that normal? Right inside where it goes into the 3/4 inch nipple there. Give me your thoughts, comments. Put it down below in the bottom of the video. Let's share some of them thoughts on that. Well, I just decided to Google the maximum temperature on this Ames gun here. And found out that it's probably not going to be suitable for what I'm using it for. If it takes 19 to 2,000 degrees to melt copper, this gun's only going to register up to 1,022, which means it's really going to probably register only up to about 995. So much with using that. Right now it's 996, almost 1,000 degrees, and I guess that's the max it's going to go. So guys, it took me almost 35 minutes to get it where it's at right there. Well, here we go. Let's see if we can pour it without making a mess. Down the liquid. Let's see what happens. Oh, she's hot. Woo, she's hot. Oh, I'm hot. Oh, I'm hot. It's all new to me, guys. Well, there it is. Let's see what happens now. Took about 35 minutes to melt that down. Get it poured into there. Now let's see if we can dump it out. I'm trying to do this myself, folks, so I'll probably mess up on this part, but we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. Put that one over here. I'll probably break the crucible. I ain't never done this quite yet. Look at it. Came right out of there. I did something right. Ooh-wee. Man, this is a good job to do in the winter months. This shrimp, oh boy, I missed the film. It's real pretty on that bottom side. Real pretty on the sides too. It doesn't look like copper at this point, but I guess that'll clean up pretty good in time. Well, let's see what the finished product's going to look like here in a little while. Let it dry a little bit. Cool off, I guess you could say. Well, I'm not 100% happy with the process yet. We got some tweaking to do, especially finish up the forge. But I wanted to see if it was going to be a worthwhile investment. Sorry about shaking the camera, guys. But I think spend a couple more hours tweaking and fixing and changing. We'll have a pretty good forge. It weighs about 80 pounds. It's a little on the heavy side because if you look at that steel, I don't want to get my camera too close. That old steel is probably about 3/8 or 7/16 thick. So it's heavy, heavy duty. Well, stick around. I'll shoot y'all some more videos of what we're going to be doing with this with copper and stuff like that. Hit the like, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos, guys. Thanks for watching.